Yo, what's up, Academy? This is Nick coming to you live from Las Vegas. Let me tell you my story about the Seller Academy and how I started making money. Now, if you're like me, you've been working at home for the last 3 or 4 months, or not working at all. So what have you been doing during those times where you're home with all that free time? Well, all I did was work, eat, play video games, work some more, and I was like, man, there's got to be a different way to make some money. I want to start off by saying I love my job. I sell liquor in Las Vegas, but you don't have to hate or love your job to find ways to make extra money. So how did I get started, you ask? Well, I jumped on social media to check out what the rest of the world was doing, and I came across this guy, Dave, with Seller Academy. Now, like most things, you're kind of skeptical. Quit your job, sell it online, make $1 million. At the end of the day, what sold me with Dave was the 1 hour free call, no obligations, no strings attached, ask as many questions as you like, and see what happens from there. So I said, what do I got to lose? I booked it. Before I jumped on the call, I wrote down as many questions as I could think of, all about selling on Amazon and eBay. Dave was awesome. He answered them all, no problem. At the end of the call, I was like, man, this is really something I can get into. But I also thought to myself, this could be a scam. I've never done this before. I've never met anybody offline and given them money to teach me something. But Dave and the Seller Academy were really cool. No pressure, gave me time to think, even talked to me a couple more times before I actually pulled the trigger. One thing to tell you though, have the right mindset going into this. It's not gonna be one of those, oh, I'll start selling on Amazon and eBay and make $1 million in the first 2 months. No, it's work, it's effort. You gotta put the time in. And that's exactly what I did. I went out and got an EIN number from the tax man, an LLC, and a business bank account, and I was ready to go. Keep in mind, I'm still doing my real job. All right, let's fast forward 3 months. I'm happy to announce I made $5K. But even if I didn't make $5K, the effort alone and time I put into this was truly rewarding. Even if I made $1, I still went out, I started my own business, I started my own thing. And Dave with Seller Academy gave me that confidence. And you still may be thinking, it's a little expensive. But like that cliche phrase, it takes money to make money. Small investment to learn a life skill that allows you to make money for the rest of your life. Not that bad. All right, let's wrap this up. So I got my corporate job and I got my business. And who knows, maybe one day my business will make so much I can leave my corporate job. But until then, I'm gonna grind out both. So yeah, final words. Thanks to Dave, thanks to Seller Academy. My name's Nick from Las Vegas. I'm out.